Do you really need to add a humidifier onto your furnace for your house? Well, in a climate like ours in Edmonton, northern Alberta, the answer is yes in almost every case. It's so dry here in the wintertime that it's really important to keep that humidity up for a couple of reasons. Number one, we're humans. Humans have a lot of water content, and if your house is really dry, the skin gets really dry and cracked, the lips get cracked, it just doesn't feel great. And there's nothing you can do about the weather here, but you can do something with the humidity. The other thing to keep in mind there is that all of your wood in your house, which at least includes the framing of your house, hardwood flooring, furniture, instruments, all these things are highly susceptible to not enough humidity. And the other thing that's important to remember is it's the consistency of humidity. Instruments, for example, those do not like the humidity to go up and down. You can think of your whole house humidifier as being like a humidor for your house, keeping it as even and as high humidity within what your house will allow it to do without getting those windows all icy and all fogged up. That's where you want to have your humidity. It's not complicated. We can install many options that are very low maintenance, work extremely well, and are very sanitary. No mold, no bacteria, and there is a solution out there. Kevin from Acclaimed Heating, Cooling, and Furnace Cleaning.